So this is my review of the portable air conditioner, and I did decide to get this one specifically because it's rechargeable, and the summers here in Texas are hot and sometimes you lose power. So I am super excited that I will have this summer, and I wish I had it last summer after the hurricane and we lost power for 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and open this up first so you can see the inside. And that's where the water sits. So the top just fits right on there. And when you turn it on, it's just the fan. And you've got the setting. You can have it on low, medium, or high for just the fan. But if you want it extra cool, and that's where the magic happens, you press that button there. And immediately you feel the difference. You can see it's almost like a humidifier with the steam, but it just feels cool, and I'm super excited to have this for this summer. Cool light settings. And a nifty handle. Ooh, green.